Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add voiceover on your Canva presentation. So if you have created a presentation and you want to add voiceover, I already did that, so let's get straight to the point. So when you are on your presentation, you're gonna go ahead to the left corner here on those menus, and then you're gonna see uploads. Right here, you can see there is images, videos, and audio. So we're gonna choose audio, and then you can either upload the files if you already recorded the audio, or you can actually just record yourself. So you're gonna click on this time, on this record yourself, allow this time. Now it loads up. And basically then, as you can see, there is an option to have a camera and screen, or only a screen. So let's choose just a screen. Now, when it shows your screen, you can choose a camera, for example, OBS, as I'm using right now. And you can also choose a microphone. So I'm just gonna choose my Blue Snowball, which I am recording on right now. And as you can see, it has now, it works now. So you basically click on record and you record on your presentation like that. Then you go ahead to another presentation, and basically that's how it works, guys. Then you're gonna basically click done. Click done, save and exit, and you're gonna have a recording. Then you go ahead to, now it basically has uploaded all the audio files, and you can add them somewhere to your presentation. If you don't want it to be seen, you can put on top some type of square or something like that. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.